Okay, guys, today you're gonna watch me wash my malachite with some water. I want to wash it with some tap water. Thank you guys for tapping in. As you can see, the dirt is there, but I'm sure when I finish, you'll see more of the green. So let me take this toothbrush here. I got a toothbrush. It's kind of rough, but it's enough to get the dirt off. Let's see how this turns out when I'm done. Shouldn't take long. Now I plan to wash all of them, but if I don't finish the video washing all of them, at least you can see this beautiful malachite here. Hey, I always wished to find malachite and thought it was almost impossible. I thought I had to go to another country to find malachite, but that's not true. I found more information about malachite, which is based off of copper. Um, so once I found out that, I was still so much into the crystals and other crystals that I forget that copper can be found all over the world. And so on my last trip in Alabama, no, actually Tennessee, I went to Tennessee. So I've been traveling, you guys. You got to watch my videos. I went to Tennessee, Alabama, and I plan on going to other states to find crystals. But this right here was found in Tennessee. And what an amazing crystal, right? And what I'm going to say about this one is that I've done as much as I could so far. So good. And you can tell that the green does not come off because it's based is a copper-based mineral called malachite. I want to thank you guys for joining me. But before I end this video, here is a raw piece of copper here that I found. And it has some green on it as well. That's possibly based malachite based off of copper. I'm going to do as much cleaning as possible. I'm not going to sit here and try to clean all the crystals, which I could if you guys was interested. If you would like to see more videos like this, definitely tap in and let me know that you're interested on watching me clean these crystals with a toothbrush. Now, certain crystals can be cleaned with a toothbrush and some can't. This one here, it's okay because it's a raw piece of copper. And I'll show you that it's actually copper before I end the video. All right. So we have a nice piece of copper, raw piece of copper here that has the substance of malachite on it, which makes it green and a lighter green at that. Um, what will be interesting that's also found around malachite is azurite. So if you know anything about azurite, you know that it's blue. It's a blue-based crystal, just like malachite, but it's blue. But it's a crystal that's based off of copper as well, and very beautiful when combined with malachite. Okay, that's it. So we have this one cleaned, and we have the raw copper cleaned. But I want to show you that this is raw copper. This is one way to find out. Uh-oh, I kind of messed up the video, but come back. Okay, here we go. Let me to the video. So what you do, if you want to find out if you have raw copper with this green substance around it, you take a knife of some sort. Probably a sharper knife would be better, but you kind of scratch it. You scratch it. You scratch it until you see the copper. This is raw copper. Look at it shine. That's what it is. It's copper. Exactly. Right? I see you guys can see exactly what I see. I want to thank you guys for watching. This is Lil LA Stay Live. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video and this channel. Share the channel. Help me grow. I just reached 500 subscribers. I plan on going on more trips. Hey, and if you would like to go on trips with me, we can do that. We can arrange trips. Just go to the link that's in my About section. Hit the first link that says Georgia Get In Connect, and we can connect. You fill out a form on my website letting me know that you're interested in going crystal hunting or crystal hounding, I may say. And you may find copper like this with some substance of malachite, or even better. Y'all have a great day. Thanks.